Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all fine. Today is 17th of December 2020. In our previous class, we have done division sums of one step. Hope you have understood. Today, we will be doing long division. Please watch the video attentively. Let's begin. Now, children, we are doing exercise 7, long division. Division in two steps. So, look here on the first sum, 45 divided by 3. So how do we do? So you have to check that this is tens and ones. So always start from tens place. So on tens place you have 4. And please see that when the first number is greater than the number which is on divisor, okay, so you have to take one number. So your now keep in mind that your number is solving with 4. So how many times we can write 3 table here? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here 4 is not there in 3 table. So what do? We have to take always the less number, lesser than 4. So this 3 to the 6 we cannot take. We have to take 3 one times. So 3 ones are 3. Never take the big number. Now do subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1. This is your remainder, right? So we have done with one number. Now, what is on ones place? 5. So bring down this 5 here beside the remainder. Now your number is 15. Now you can read table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. So how many times it's going? 5 times. So write here first 3 fives are 15. Put the minus sign. 15 minus 15 is 0. Now this is your quotient. You can write here quotient is 15. Understood? This is in two-step sum. Now look at the next sum. So start from tens place. Your number is 8. So if the number is greater than the number which is on divisor, so you have to start with one number. Now read table of 4. 4 ones are 4. You can write the table here. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. It's going. 8 is here. So how many times? 2 times. So 4 twos. How many times it's going? You have to write up. That is your quotient. 4 twos are 8. Right? Now, after putting the number, do minus. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now your next number is 4. So bring down 4 next to this number. 4 here. Okay, 0 is nothing. Your number is only 4. So how many times? 4 ones are 4. So 4 ones are 4. Write here on ones place. Right? Put the minus sign. 4 minus 4 is 0. Over. You don't have any number. Your sum is over now. So your quotient is 21. Write here Q. Quotient is 21. Understood? Do very carefully. Now look at the third sum. On tens place you have 3 and on ones place you have 6. So check the tens place. 3 is greater than 2. So if the number is greater than this number, you have to start with one number only. So in 2 table, write the 2 table here. 2 ones are 2 and 2 into 2 tables are 4. So this 3 is not here in 2 table. So what you will do? If you cannot take 2 tables are 4, you cannot take the big number. So you have to take 2 ones are 2. So here how many times? This is your time. 2 ones are 2 1 times 2. Now do minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. Your next number is 6. So bring down that 6 here next to the remainder. Now what is the number here? 16. So in 2 table 16 is there. Just read the table till you get 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So 2 how many times it is going? 8 times. 2 eights are 16. Then after putting the number, do minus. 16 minus 16 is 0. So what's your quotient here? 18 is your quotient here. Now look at the sum. Now check the tens place number. It is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. So we are doing with one number first. 5. So again you can write the table here. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Stop when you are getting the greater number. Your number is 7 here. So when you are getting 5 twos are 10. 10 is greater than 7. So stop it. No need to write the whole table. Now you must compare here. 7 is not here. So what we have to do? We cannot take the big number also. So we have to go one less time. That is 5 ones are 5. So 5 how many times? 5 one times. 5 ones are 5. Now when you are writing the number, put the minus sign here, subtract it. 7 minus 5, after 5, 6, 7. 2 is left here. Now we have done with one number. Now your second number is, on ones place you have 5. So now bring down, put an arrow and bring down that 5 here next to this number. Now your number is 25. So 25 is there in 5 table. Read the table till you get 25. Let us read. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 fives are 25. So we can take if the number is there in that table. So how many times? 5? 5 times. 5 fives are 25. Now put the minus sign. Do minus. 25 minus 25 is 0. This is your quotient. Your quotient is 15. Let me show two more sums. Now check the tens place number 9. 9 is greater than 6. So if the number is greater, we have to start with one number only. So now write the 6 table. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. Stop it. Your number is 9 and you are getting 12 here. 6 2 times 12. So can you take this? No, we cannot take the big number. We have to take, always go less number. Always go with less number. So 6 one time it's going, 6 ones are 6. Now after writing, do subtraction. 9 minus 6, you can count after 6 till 9. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 is left here. Now you have another number that is 6. So bring down that 6 here next to the remainder. Now your number is 36. Now 36 is there in 6 table? Yes, it's there. So read out 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. You can write the table here in the column. 6 fives are 30. In the margin space, you can write 6 6 are 36. So you are getting 36 here. How many times it's going? 6 times. So write here 6 6 are 36. Now do subtract, put the minus sign and do subtraction. 36 minus 36 is 0. What is your quotient here? 16 is your quotient. So short form you can write Q. Quotient is 16. Okay. So let us see this sum. Check the number. If the number is greater and same, if 7 is here, so in that also you can start with one number. Okay. If the number is small, for example, if 6 is here, so that is a one-step sum. Whole 64 we have to take. That we have already done one-step sums. So 8 is your number. In 7 table, you can write 7 tables here 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So stop when you are getting the greater number 8. Just keep in mind that your number is only 8. You are getting here a 14. Now you cannot take this number. So always take the less number, that is 7. So how many times it's going? One time. 7 ones are 7. Now do minus. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now on ones place you have 4. So that brings on that 4 here next to this number. It is 14 now. 7 ones are 7. Here you are getting 14 in 7 table. How many times it's going? 2 times. 7 twos are 14. Now 14 minus 14 is 0. It's over. Your quotient is 12. So write the short Q here, 12. We will do more sums in our next class. So do practice, do the reader work, okay? Do lots of practice and be perfect in tables. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.